They robbed the most guarded museum in the world. They took jewels worth 88 million euros. After that, all trace of them is lost. October 2025, France. Thieves break into the Louvre Museum in Paris. In 4 minutes, 8 pieces of royal jewelry were gone. Diamonds, rubies, 19th century crowns. But how did all this happen? It all started months earlier. The thieves studied the Louvre, every camera, every sensor. They arrived in the early morning hours. They brought a construction crane. They raised it to the 2nd floor. They smashed a window and went down into the hall. They quickly opened the display cases and took the jewelry. On their way out, one item fell: Empress Eugenie's crown. They jumped on motorcycles and disappeared through the streets of Paris.